In the tactical realm, when we think of the term quick access, it often resembles how crucial time can be and how every second plays a pivotal role when utilizing our gear. In hostile environments, efficiency is usually the counterpart to the process, which thus results in maximum capabilities the user can possess. When combining the two, the success rate when operating equipment that has both determining factors usually increases the user's chances of survival rather than detrimental outcomes. Given the success rate of gear containing these qualities, this was the idea that we wanted to implement on our journey to developing a holster for the Baofeng B85 radio. The idea behind our concept was to make a system that we believe can provide both functionalities, but also deliver a new way of approaching how we handle communication devices moving forward. For our holster blueprint, we wanted to construct a carrier specifically designed for the Baofeng UV5R and BF-F8HP radio. We chose these two popular models as the foundation to our holster layout due to the UV5R and F8HP being reliable radios that have provided millions of people all over the world with quality communications throughout the years from a cost-effective standpoint. When understanding the functionality of the UV5R layout, there are several operations that make the Baofeng radio accessible to the user: on and off twist knob, push to talk, mic button, etc. In order to create an advantage for the user, we wanted to build a holster in a way to give the operator the convenience to manipulate these main operations. So our mission became clear: develop the holster to give the user access by employing the radio's main function points while being stationed in the holster. In theory, this would free up the area of operations for the user to focus on whatever task is at hand, while also gaining full control over the communication process. Enter the B85 holster, a durable construction prepared for adequacy, designed for quick access. A 2-point retention system tailored to the operator's personal preference, which, in reference, is similar to our Gambit OWB holster, which also has a 2-point retention system. Due to the success of the Gambit holster's draw stroke efficiency, we've decided to adopt the 2-point retention system onto the B85's construction. Not only does this build balance, but this also enhances the rapid ability to withdraw the radio from the holster, hence our confidence backing its quick access being its strong suit. Another clear visual from the B85's description is that we've molded its construction to block the radio's button dials to prevent the user from accidentally pressing any buttons while being seated in the holster. When implementing the blueprint, we wanted dependability as a main attribute to be a key factor, so we thought this would provide a key asset in contributing to the process. Though this doesn't hinder any usability for the operator, this just eliminates any unwanted errors by accidentally switching frequencies while on your person. Attached are also modified window panels on each side of the carrier to keep any unwanted debris out from underneath, making it robust for all conditions. And to extend our topic on dependability, we wanted to express that being dependable also means to provide resiliency, and we wanted to put emphasis on the B85's construction to maintain longevity for all deployments. So we've decided to go with the kydex thickness of 0.80 to strengthen its durability in hopes to withstand any physical trauma the user may put it through. To confirm this, we put it through a 6-month trauma trial where we ran it through its course, exposed to heat, cooler climates, and also physical distress to test the measures, and we're confident with the results. Given that both the F8HP and the UV5R share similar footprints, our holster is designed to fit both models in the short battery configuration and the extended battery configuration as well. User preferences were a priority when drafting a holster's DNA, so having the option to bounce around from specific radio setups would be ideal for a situational task. For an in-depth breakdown on specific battery models applicable for our B85 holster, you can find them on our website and we'll have them linked down in the description below. When it comes to attachment systems, we've traced the Gambit holster's universal footprint layout onto the B85 carrier to accommodate most of the major attachment systems out on the market today. Some of the Baofeng holster's connecting examples range from Safariland's quick locking system, a popular option if your mission revolves around extreme duties and you need a more robust structure for the job. Other attachment systems also range from simpler items like a malice clip, for an example, a cheaper alternative but a host that will still get the job done. There's also other popular attachment options such as Bladetek's Tech Lock system and G-Code with their RTI hanger system as well. With the wide variety of interconnecting processes, we're also giving the user the advantage to house most tactical equipment used in the market today. tack belts, plate carriers, backpacks, MOLLE panels, etc. This will allow our universal connecting system to integrate, making it a luxury for the user to have a wide variety of options to match their personal preferences. And if all else fails, the B85 holster has a less than 3.5-inch width diameter and can easily be stowed away in standard jeans, shorts, or whatever cargo pants pockets the user desires. The idea behind the structure of our B85 holster is a representation of how we signify the importance of networking. In certain circumstances, peer-to-peer dialogue can be pivotal, which may involve rapid deployment to your telecommunications. To piggyback off it, networking is one of the main pillars that we feel is an important asset to emergency preparedness. And if you've been following our channel for some time now, then you're familiar with us recently extending our platform into the emergency preparedness realm. The main reason is that we feel it's important to understand the trends of current times of today's society, and we feel it's our duty to relay information that we deem useful to help those gain clarity on whatever topic. And because networking is essential in daily civilization, we collected data on some of the most popular amateur radios that have paved the way for survivalists that prepare for SHTF situations. We asked ourselves, how can we contribute to society? And now we've created a holster that we hope will add an impact when operating at all levels. If you're still wondering where to wrap your head around communications core values, then the question you should ask yourself is, why comms? Why do you need it? If you're preparing for the worst case scenario, then the short answer would be for emergency purposes. Because when everything we're accustomed to using, cell phones, laptops, Wi-Fi, television, etc., becomes non-existent, what's your next move? Understanding the importance of relaying data between parties and the significance of not having it can become crucial, especially when in a state of adverse conditions. In conclusion, communication is key. Incorporating this with the carrier equipped to provide readiness at a moment's notice will not only enhance the operator's efficiency, but also the communication process as well. And we hope our B85 holster can fill that major role when operating your Baofeng radio. If you're watching this video, the Baofeng B85 holsters are live and available for purchase on our website at thinkthroughtactical.com. If you guys are interested and would like to support the movement, we'll leave some links down in the description where you can pick one up. Also, since this is the beginning of our expansion of product development into the survival realm, for those who don't utilize the Baofeng radios as a part of their comm setup, if you have any other suggestions on which radio devices you would like for us to make holsters for next, please feel free to drop those suggestions in the comment section. As always, thank you guys for the continued support, and we'll see you guys in the next video.